Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pocket hexagon in FreeCAD. So first let's create a new file, and after that let's check if you are in the part design mode. It is very important. Now you can click create body, you can click create sketch, and then you can select XY plane and you can click OK button. After that you need to create a shape, so I select create rectangle and I click rectangle. Now I draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that, and I click close button. Then I select pad. Okay, now we need to click OK button, and then we need to select face where we want to create hexagon pocket. So I select this one face, I click create sketch, and now I need to click on this one arrow and select here hexagon. Now I create here a hexagon, so I draw it somewhere here. I click here to create it. I click here close button, and I need to click on this one option pocket. It will let you to create a pocket with the selected sketch. So I click on it. And how you see, it really works. We can change the pocket parameters. We can increase this value or decrease this value. Everything depends on our preferences. And of course, I recommend you to change type of dimensions. For example, you can select here through all. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.